Hey guys, it's Erica and I am in Culver City at Orchid Fever, which is a really good plant shop. This is one of my favorite plant shops and I think I got a request to do kind of like a small business plant shop. I'm pretty sure this is a small business. If it's not, I don't think it's like a chain or anything. Like it's not like an Armstrong or anything, but they have some really cool orchids and a lot of really good plants. So every time I walk in, you gotta look at the little fishies. Isn't this so cool? Look at this Monstera and the pothos and the air plants. So here, oh, a Prince of Orange. I haven't seen a Prince of Orange in a while. This one is $40. And these, I think these are on Oncidiums. Actually don't, I'm not sure. Wow, there's a lot of Prince of Oranges here. But these look pretty cheap. This one's 15, this one's 20. I think that's good price. Some begonias, peperomias. Oh, these Prince of Oranges are 25. I think that's really good. If you want a Prince of Orange, they're out here. I haven't really not seen them in a while. They're such like a fall plant. Like a Croton is a fall plant. Well, I think of it as a fall plant. These are like fall plants to me too. They're so pretty. They have all these dracaenas, snake plants. It's like a little jungle in here. It's really awesome. Really awesome. I love it. Okay, let's see what else they got. They have rubber trees, really big Marantas. These are the red Marantas. Doesn't have a price though. Let's see. Birds of Paradise. Let me see how much they are. Oh, but look at all these begonias. $15. So the Bird of Paradise is $17.50. So colorful. Dieffenbachias are $20. And this is one orchid room. Sometimes they have cool orchids in here, but they just have regular ones right now. Can't remember what they're called, but they're like at the perfect time right before they bloom. Like one flower blooms. I think that's the perfect time to get it if you want to enjoy the flowers. Or this one right here that doesn't have any blooms. If I wanted an orchid, I would buy one of these. They have a bunch of Dieffenbachias, Monsteras for $35. Aglaonemas. I think those were Aglaonemas before. I don't know why I said Dieffenbachia. Here are some, well, they're lipstick plants, black pagodas. These are so pretty and healthy. Look at this dark underleaf color. Some scandens, peperomias. Oh, they have little Christmas ornaments. An australis for $25. Here's an obovata for $25. I think that's a good price. Little Hoya. Lots of little Hoyas. Very splashy. This is one of the splashiest I've seen. And also some Dischidias. And then over here we have the 4-inch plants, Dieffenbachia, peace lily, crotons, dracaenas, ferns, spider plants. have some Exoticas. I haven't seen those around in a while. Or Enjoys, actually. Oh, these are $7.50. They have a whole bunch of orchids in all different colors. But we're not gonna go too crazy into that. You can see Enjoys, Jade Pothos, and Snow Queens. They also have curly spider plants. I love curly spider plants, they're so cute. This is my favorite room because this is where they keep the good, well, in my opinion, the good plants. So there's some cute little begonias. There's some kerrii here. These are the variegated ones. And there's also just regular ones. Kerrii you don't often see. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of gnats, but you don't often see kerrii just sold as a stem. And this one is so splashy. If I wanted a kerrii, I think this is the one I would get. These look really good. There's even bigger ones here. Oh, this is probably the one I would get, but this one's probably the most expensive one. Doesn't have a price, but it looks very good to me. These are Vanda orchids. And there's some Pollys, Tradescantia, ZZ plants, deliciosas. These ones are $25. They're little babies. And they also have the really tall rafts. These ones are $50. They're very tall. Oh my goodness, look at this one. This one is $45. It's a big baby. And there's more Prince of Oranges. So pretty. The only thing is that the leaves turn green after they're orange. I would like them to stay orange. These are such healthy looking dracaenas. Oh my goodness, these are $8.50. Some more little bebe curly spider plants. Crotons. Some calatheas. And little 4-inch pots if you rather have a smaller plant. And they also have tillandsias, little air plants. And look how cute this baby Fiddle Leaf Fig is. $65. It's so small, it's like 3 feet tall. Here are their little cacti. This is the succulent room. And these are the prices. I love when prices are posted like that. It makes everything a lot easier. Succulents. Look at these string of dolphins. These are so long. They're only $16 too. That is a steal. If you want a string of dolphins, this is the best deal ever. Look at their little flowers. Yeah, definitely a really good deal. Very, very, very good. They have a singular spring cactus here. Doesn't have a price. And then over here, oh look at this. This looks like a pine cone man. This kind of looks like the lady in SpongeBob where she's like, chocolate. You know, the lady in the wheelchair? Oh my gosh. This is literally her. I love chocolate. There's, what are these? They're $20 for dragon fruit, there we go. And Thanksgiving cactuses, $6.50 and $10.50. I think the $10.50 one is a better deal. But that's about everything. There's even bigger ones. Yeah, that's like everything. Okay, that's everything. Sometimes they have some really cool orchids, like Paphiopedilums. I love Paphiopedilums. They didn't have any this time though, so it's a little bit emptier today, but I still really like this place, and if you're near it, you should visit it. It's really good. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!